Calm down.
Back the fuck up! I'ma blow a fucking head up!
On March 10th in Baltimore, officers responded to what they thought was a simple burglary call. It quickly turned into a double hostage situation with gunfire. It didn't turn out how anyone expected. Here's what happened.
Sarge! Sarge! Calm down.
Back the fuck up! I'ma blow a fucking head up!
Give me the air! 2 or 3 shots fired. We got one individual inside. He's shooting from the front window. Sarge, stay in the back. Go to the back. Get behind that tree.
Signal 13, 6205, Park Heights.
Shots fired again. Has SWAT, contact SWAT.
Park Heights, Northwest, signal 13.
Another
650, on the wall.
2-3, get off the air real quick. I need units to close off Strathmore and Park Heights and Pinckney and Park Heights.
20, I need to move to the rear of this location. I can't get the fence off.
And again, the individuals are still inside the vehicle. I mean, inside the house.
We're not in 650, I'm coming up 10-2-3. 10-4. Bro.
650, stop right there, close that lane.
Shut northbound traffic down. So give me a bumper up here. What? You got the bunker in your car?
That unit, stop right there, close that lane.
Yeah, 10-4-651. I got the bunker. I'm over there.
He's shooting on my car. He's hitting up tires.
We're taking sniper fire from the house. Shut down these streets.
Right, 09 to 20 and 23. Is it a handgun or is it a rifle?
No, you said you started shooting. We don't know yet.
All right, therefore, we're going to move up with a bunker. We'll evac you behind the tree. We'll give you some cover. Ready?
Yep, I'm ready. 600 should go back to A. 600 should go to A.
Just 2 right now. Go slow. Okay.
Fort Channel Northwest, GVU. We have about 4 or 5 rifles with about 10 or 15 men.
Which window?
For 600, 6A.
Oh, I got you covered. Ready?
Yep. Second floor, you see that window?
Yeah, I got the window open.
I'm gonna get behind my car and back it up. This should be fine.
Did you shut at the car or no?
Yeah, he shot at the car multiple times.
If you want to try moving it, if you don't feel comfortable, my body cam on. We can get the call later.
Okay, all right.
Yeah,
then
let's move back
backing
up.
up.
All right, 09, we have your officer in the front. There's pinned behind the tree. He's been pulled back. So we can do it here. 09-20, is she injured in any way?
20-10-4, she's saying her back hurts. She's having trouble moving.
All right, I'm going to get a unit up here to relieve us. We'll come back and evac. Hey, give me somebody up here. Give me the other bunker, another person. Come on with me. Hey, cover from here in front, watch second window. We're going to the rear. Just go this way. Hey, I know everybody, just two. Everybody else come here. Hey, bring the bunker this way. We're going to evac from the rear. All right, 09, we're moving to the rear.
Contact confirmed, 09. 600.
600. So all units, stay off the air. Unless it's absolutely referenced, I'm going to be the IC. Let me know what is the actual location of this residence.
Give me 6203 Park, sir. Also give me the air for moving the bunker team in to extract the female who may be shot.
Outside his house.
Give us a second.
All right, here it's over here. Put the bunker up front. There's a fast
A patrol car to come down here and block off Ford, Slade, and Parkay.
You doing the buddy here?
Can you get paramedics at Park Heights and go for the injured female?
It's better. Stay off the air so they quit.
How long is it been? Are you shot? Okay. Are you able to walk? Yes, hey, do all the covering. I'm going to cover the rifle. Can we pick up? I need two people. Huh? Okay.
She might have a...
Can you wiggle your feet?
No, yes, my feet are fine.
Okay. So two grab her upper body, the other one grab her leg, and once you guys are ready to move, I'm going to cover you with him. Okay.
No, wait, my phone.
Don't worry about it.
Stand up. Your legs under you. Can you get her so we can turn her out?
Stand up. Yes. I'm sorry.
Hey, see if it's easier pick this. There you go.
It's super weak to stand. Yeah, it just hurts to stand. My back hurts really fucking bad.
We can pick your feet up. We can pick your feet up.
I can't. I'm sorry. I'm having guys on my leg.
Let's go.
Window open.
Stand by. Put it behind this. Right here.
Is my grandmother okay?
I'm gonna find out. Hold on, sweetheart. Can you get up?
I can't. Somebody grab my phone from the pool, from the fucking backyard. I want my mom.
We're getting her. I know. Is she shot?
No, I'm not. Can I just lay back here?
Close the door, okay?
Oh my god.
I'm taking you.
After getting the first female to safety, officers gave the suspect multiple commands to come out. They waited, but the suspect did the unthinkable. I'll let you see what happened.
What channel you want to see?
You good? God damn it. Officer shot. God damn it. Where you shot? Get him over the brick. You gotta get up. You gotta go to the brick. You gotta go to the brick. You get hurry, son. Hurry. Where you shot it? Come here. Where you shot it? Where you shot it? Roll him over. Talk to me. Where you shot? Leave me alone. Where you shot?
There's a hole in his leg.
Oh, where? Where's the hole?
In his leg. Left leg.
Come here. I see it. Lift up. Thank you.
With the injured officer secured and a tourniquet applied, officers lost sight of the suspect in the window. Shortly after, a SWAT sniper took the opportunity and eliminated the threat the moment he showed back up. Here's how it went.
No, he's gone. Back up. Ready? Go. All right, hold on. He's no longer back in the window. All right, sorry.
One corner We're behind a vehicle. Do you need us to move to your location or hold in place?
Yeah, you're getting the 2-2 wing.
Alright, hold in place for now.
10-4 to advise. We have a clear path to the front door.
The air, shots fired. Hold on. Hold the air.
Fire blue. $75-10. The shot that was just fired was a shot fired blue.
All right, that individual just made a fire. Can we confirm? 7567, shots fired blue. Suspect is down in the room. Can't see him.
On your back, on your back, on your back. Come on, stay on this floor.
With you.
Oh, man! Get to her voice, get to her voice. Oh, my God. Show your hands. Follow her voice. He's down. What was that? What was that?
Both women survived the ordeal. One was injured after jumping from the window and was taken to the hospital. The second woman suffered non-life-threatening injuries. The Baltimore police officer who was shot in the leg was treated and has since been released from the hospital. The suspect was pronounced dead at the scene. Thanks for watching and subscribe for more content. See ya.